Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful felt fabric shorts ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is felt wall hanging. Take a piece of felt as the base, decorate it with colorful flower, leaves, star, heart or simple shape. You can add a wooden stick at the top and hang it on the wall. This type of decoration is perfect for bedrooms, children's crafts room or cozy corners. You can choose color that match your home. Soft pastel color can create a clean, gentle look, while bright color can make the decoration cheerful and fun. And viewers, another useful craft is a storage organizer. So friends, soft pastel color can create a clean, gentle look, while bright colors can make the decoration cheerful and fun. Another useful felt craft is a storage. Felt is strong for many small storage projects. You can make small pockets, attach them to a large piece of felt. This can become a wall organizer for craft tools, accessories or other small items. And viewers, friends, great ideas of felt basket. Cut pieces of felt fabric and join them together to create a simple basket shape. You can add handles on both sides. Use the basket to store toys, yarn, swimming spades, makeup, small tools or other household items. So viewers, so my next idea is viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz.